Hey, what's up YouTube family? Just making some dinner. Um, sorry I never get to really like do a full video because I started and I never planned to video about anything. I just cut up some seasoning, some tomato, sweet pepper, thyme, onion, red pepper, and the old works. I'm gonna have it with saltfish. In Jamaica we call it saltfish, but you guys call it bacala fish in America, okay? Or maybe different parts of the world. But we gotta boil this and stuff, okay? And I'm gonna have it with some baked beans, right? And these are the seasonings I'm using. I'm using some garlic powder, right? Using some black pepper, and using some Obey seasoning. Right here, I got the rice cooking already, so we're just steaming on the rice, and that's about it for now. Okay, I'll check back in a few. Hey, what's up guys? I'll just give a couple minutes, let it steam a little bit, and then we'll take it off the stove. Okay, stay tuned. Hey guys, we have a little extra rice, but we only got one plate, so what I'm gonna do for the time being, I'm gonna put the extra in this cup. So now guys, I'm gonna work on the saltfish. So how we do, we just gotta boil the saltfish so we can boil the excess salt off the saltfish, okay? So you don't make it salty. The rice, perfectly done. So in this bowl right here guys, we got the excess rice so we can have for dinner tomorrow, so we don't gotta cook tomorrow. So I'm gonna put it to the side. So while the saltfish is working, actually I'm gonna take some and put in this cup. So this is what I'm gonna have for dinner today. I'm just gonna have a cup of rice. I'm just gonna put some more of this. Yeah. Okay, that's good. So I'm just gonna cover this remaining. This can stay right here. See, this is what I'm talking about guys. Saltfish is boiling, so we just gotta let it boil. I'm just gonna boil like 2 times. As I said, we're trying to get that excess salt off the saltfish. And if the food will be very salty, and you don't want that. Okay guys, so the seasoning is in, the saltfish. Kind of cooking it up a little bit. Put some adobe. I put the black pepper already in there with some garlic, guys. Going in guys with a little adobe. Give it a little flavor. That's good. Down a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with now the baked bean. This is a baked bean, guys. Let's move it around. Just let it get hot. So they cook a little bit, guys, and then you're ready to serve. Wagwan people are the finishing product, this, you know. Yeah, man. So here wagwan. So right here we call it the volcano rice, Iraq, with some baked bean and saltfish cooked down in some onion, garlic, bell pepper, red and green, color it up. And to serve alongside 2 pieces of avocado. But we Jamaican, we call it pear. You see me I say? Right in this Jamaican mug what I have. Nobody come at me because I want mug I have. But I'm my favorite cup, right? We serving it with some Tropicana essential orange juice. Because we need the vitamin D, the vitamin E, and the vitamin C. So here are people. We're not stay much longer. We're going to dig in right now. So yo, let's go check on Drae and see what Drae do. Come off of my bed. Come off of my bed. Get up. Off. No, get down. Yeah, people, they are again, you know. Yeah, man, they are again, I give thanks, you know. People, food tastes good, man. Take some, man. You know, say, that's how we do it, you know. Over this channel, we deal with positivity, unity, and sharing. Sharing is caring. So take some. Yeah, man, taste the Jamaican flavor, you see it? Baked bean and saltfish. Put some of that Drae on. Hold on the people. People taste good, man. Hold on it. I want to take the time off to big up my mother. That's a nice special big up to my mother because, you know, the old saying, go away to a man's heart is through his stomach. And they always have the saying, say, oh, if I don't meet a woman who really gonna get to my heart the right way, I'm supposed to can get to my own heart. So thank you, mommy, for teaching me to cook. So I'm not starve. You see me? Yo, Drae, clean all the pants down.